Here's how to fix your iPhone if the speaker sound is too low. Now, if you're on a call and the speaker, either the ear speaker or the speakers at the very bottom, are too low and you wanted to boost the sound, I'm going to show you some options in terms of doing that. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is hop into our settings here, and we're going to scroll down until we get to accessibility and tap on that. Now, there are a couple of different things we want to check here. First is touch. Let's tap on touch here. And at the very bottom, let's scroll down and tap on call audio routing. And you can see on here, you want it to be set to automatic. Basically, if it's routed to any kind of Bluetooth speaker or a headset, something like that, then you won't be able to hear it. So let's set that to automatic. And then let's go back again. And let's tap on hearing devices towards the bottom. Now on here, you can see hearing aid compatibility. You want to toggle that off as long as you don't have a hearing aid that you want to use. So both of these, make sure that the audio is going to be routed to the speakers on your iPhone. Now let's go back again and let's tap on sounds and haptics. Now let's tap on headphone safety at the top. And you can see reduce loud sounds is turned on. I recommend turning that off, or at the very least, maybe bumping this up to say 90 decibels as loud as a motorcycle, because this will limit the amount of sound that's able to come out of those speakers. So those are various things that we've done on the settings of your phone. There are various things that we can do as well to be able to boost that speaker volume. Let's toggle this little switch. You can see it on the left-hand side of your iPhone is a little switch. Let's toggle it towards you to turn it on ringer mode. And then let's use these volume buttons to turn that all the way up. Now your ringer volume is all the way up, but we also need the sound volume to be all the way up as well. So let's swipe down from the top right, and you can see another speaker icon. Let's toggle that all the way up as loud as it will go. So both of those things are on the settings or physical buttons. The next thing that we'll do is make sure that there aren't any obstructions on those speakers themselves. So a lot of times, and I've seen this in a lot of different comments on previous videos or complaints, is that basically lint, gunk gets in these speakers on your iPhone, and especially if you have a case on it, then it can build up all kinds of stuff that will prevent or reduce the functionality of those speakers. So what I recommend doing is taking the case off, taking your screen protector off, cleaning the whole area, getting a toothpick, something to be able to clean those speakers at the bottom and the ear speaker at the very top. So clean out all of those different things. And now the last thing that you're going to want to do is just restart your phone. So let's hold this volume up and the side button until basically your phone shuts down, and then you can restart it. And by going through all of those steps, you should find that those ear speakers or the speakers at the very bottom are much louder. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.